Hi, we're Mark and Wendy, brokers at RE/MAX Escarpment.
Welcome to 135 Kinsman Drive in Binbrook, the best townhome that Binbrook has to offer.
Let's take a look inside. Thank you for visiting us today at this stunning, completely freehold.
That means no condo fees.
That does mean no condo fees. Townhome in Binbrook.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this home, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Binbrook, please call us. My name is Mark. I can be reached at 905-512-1846.
And I'm Wendy. I can be reached at 905-902-9387.